Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about top most 15 frequently asked HR questions. So let's start with the first question. So the most common question is tell me about yourself. So firstly, we just have to tell your name and the place that you are living. And then you should start with the your recent job that you have been done, and next you have to go to the education. So I'm currently pursuing my bachelor engineering in information technology from XNX college. So next, and we should tell about the projects. So I have done this project and this project and so and so. So I have done this. For example, I have developed a web application called Collaborator, which acts as an interface between companies, developers and clients. So, and also I have developed an Android application called bus tracking system, which shows the location of the buses and to the students. And also then we should tell about your achievements and all. Like I stood in top 5 in my department from first semester to current semester. So then we can go to the family background, and it is optional. So then after that, what's your interests and all, you can explain that thing. So this is the perfect way of explaining the what tell me about yourself question. And then let's go to the second question. Yeah, second question is why are you interested in the position. So the question should be, the answer should be like you must fit to the position that you are applied for. So I have the answer should be like I love to explore new technologies and work and also and work as a team to gain experience and knowledge. So and I need to learn. That's the thing actually. Yeah, you should be learned. That's it. And then we'll go to that third question. So it may be the like why are you leaving your current job. So the answer should be like I want to learn more, I feel like I'm ready to take on more responsibility, I want to develop a new skill, extra etc. So your answer should be like not for this salary and all. Your answer should be apt, and it should be like more learning opportunity like that. So next, let's go to the next question. And also we can also tell that I need a change of environment to motivate me and all, and I need to develop a new skill that isn't required in my current job, and that's the thing. And then we go to next question. Can you describe a work or school instance in which you messed up? So they will definitely ask this question, and you can tell like the most recent instance that you have messed up. So for example, I have worked on a project called Collaborator when I was in second year of my BTech. One day, my computer got some problem, and the whole project is messed up. As I uploaded only some part of the project in the GitHub, so I can retrieve that project and complete that in a week. So it would be really messed up situation. Yeah. Then I was covered up. Then let's go to the next fifth question. Tell me about the time when you experienced conflict with a coworker, and how you dealt with it. So when we shared the work with my colleague, we agreed to we do our work, but my colleague was not able to do his part. So I have taken some part of him. So and we did complete the work, and it should be like not provoking and anything like that. So the answer should be like this only, and we should not we should not do something like we should not create something at that moment. So it should be like your from your previous experience. Yeah. Yeah, tell me about a time which, yeah, the same question, and it should be like you know the same thing that I have told you just now. And we're coming to sixth question. Make sure that what do you know about our company. So make sure you should know all the required information about the company, like products, founder, CEO, goals, advantages, and what is the like foundation date, and how the company started, and what's the story of the products of the current company and all. You must do a research before going to a company's interview. And then we'll go to the next question. So how would you improve your current product or service? So they'll definitely ask you a suggestion for improving the current project and product or something else. And for example, you should tell the answer like, you first you first know the products of the company and services of the company, and you should tell them the improvement and all. For example, I suggest to expand the importance by advertising and marketing to expand the growth of the business and the demand, like that. It should be like expanding and all, etc., etc. And we'll go to the next question. And how would your current manager describe you? Like, we should definitely be positive to manager. So he or she is very cool guy. So like that, will definitely they'll definitely do a good review on us, because if you are good, then you'll definitely if you are good, then you'll definitely get the good review and all. And the ninth question should be like, what questions do you have for me? Like, it's the most common thing that you get the chance and good opportunity to ask them the right questions and all. You should definitely ask them questions. They'll get definitely the improvement, like they'll get definitely the good impression on what questions you are asking and what are you thinking about themselves and all. So the questions, like, you should ask like, yeah, I have a couple of questions like to ask, and then you should start the question. How did you get into this company? What you enjoy the most about the company? And what is the most difficult situation you have in the company, experience in the company and all? You should ask these questions. And then we'll go to the next question. Why should we hire you? Like, this is the most common question on all. So your answer should be like like this. Tell them the responsibilities and skills that matches the job profile you have applied for. For example, I'm quite good at problem solving and I'm the good learner, like, and I believe in think twice and code once. Alongside, I love to explore new technologies. So you must tell the responsibilities and skills that matches the a job profile you have applied for. So for example, like C++, Java, you are the most experienced in Java, C++, and Java. If the job profile, job description has C++ and Java, you should tell them that you should mention them that thing. It they Yeah. Next question. And why should we hire you? This is also the most common question. You should tell them the responsibilities and these things. And you can also tell, like, example, I can work with team efficiently. I can think fit for the position. And then I have listed down the requirements and I tallied with my skills. I am a quite good learner, and if given opportunity, pick them up very fast. Like, you explain what you are and what you can do to the company. That's all. And it's the most common question. Uh, yeah, what are your strengths? Like, example, I'm good at programming and development of the applications and good learner and listener. And you tell what your strengths are, like hardworking, quite approachable, friendly nature, and etc., etc., etc. You can tell anything in the strengths, like that, what you push, what you have done, and what pushes you to the most, to the best, like that. And what are your weakness? We should not tell them directly what our weaknesses are. That's the most important. And it should be positive only. So example, sometimes while solving a problem, I overthink about the solution that may lead towards the wrong path. So in that case, I started from the scratch. And if I stuck somewhere while solving the problem, I can't even sleep if I didn't get the solution. Yeah, you see, I am telling my weakness, but it is not exactly the weakness. Yeah, you should tell like that. And next, What is your greatest achievement? It's also a code question and commonly asked question in the interviews, HR interviews. And then tell them what you will be, what will you be the greatest proud moment till now. And example, getting first job, get first university job, getting awards from college, getting awards from companies, etc., etc., etc. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Yeah, it's also the common question. I want to be in a position that allow me to do the best and become the best. I will do my best to do best to be in that position and work sincerely, and that's it. You will be in the top, and you will be the most. That's it. And it's the only thing, like the best position which suits you. I want to be in a position that suits me. That's it. And you should not tell like I want to be a manager, I want to be a CEO of the company and like that. And if what if you are the CEO, and what if you do like, they'll ask like this question also, if, what do you do, like you don't know, right? So after that, what will be you do, like you know what the position you don't know, what the position you fit for. So you'll slowly learn about that thing. Your path is like to finding the best position that fits me. Yeah, that's the answer actually. And what is the expected salary? This answers like two types. Like if you are a fresher, you should tell like answer them like, as I'm a fresher, I won't expect much and would like to receive the same that you are offering for the freshers. And if you are an experienced, get the correct estimate either from the people who are working in the company, or or have applied for other things, to get the idea from them. Like you can negotiate them with that thing. So thank you. And just I want to tell you some tips. If you are in a video for virtual interview, you can tell like you can dress neatly, you should concentrate on what you appear for, well, like how you appear. So like you have to maintain full sleeves, and look straight to the camera. And also gestures are very important. And you should put top button, and should maintain tie if you want, like it's good to have a tie. And then if you are going for a face to face interview, your gestures are very important, and your appearance are also very important. As you are if you are in virtual interview, you can directly only concentrate on the appearance, like only front part, like up a t-shirt or shirt. Yeah, you can concentrate only on the shirt. And if you are going to face interview, you should use formals, you should wear formals and all. You should definitely maintain a watch and a pen to write. And your resume, you must carry your resume and give to the company HR. So thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.